Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add text behind the person on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to make a cinematic type of video. So, let's simply go to CapCut, make a new project, add your clip, and now that you have your clip, just tap on text, add text, and then just customize it however you want. I'm just gonna do a simple text right here, and then you're gonna want to export this video right here. Once you have it exported, you're gonna want to delete the first clip and make sure that the video you just exported, is the main video right now, and then go to overlay, add overlay, and then add the unedited video on top of it. So once you add that, just resize it, and now all you have to do is tap on cutout, remove background, and then there you go. It's removing the background right now, and once it's done, you're gonna see that it's fully removed the background and the text is behind the people. So if you just rewatch it, there you go. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.